Set on the Nile River, Cairo is the sprawling capital city of Egypt. This ancient city has seen many inhabitants from the ancient Egyptians to the Romans and the Ottomans, making it the perfect place for those interested in history and ancient architecture. At the heart of the city is Tahrir Square, which has been the site of many political demonstrations. Near it is the vast Egyptian Museum with a collection of over 120,000 ancient Egyptian artifacts plus lots and lots of mummies. Nearby in the Nile River is Gezira Island, where the 187-meter Cairo Tower gives visitors panoramic views of the city. Beyond this, on the Giza Plateau, in the outskirts of Cairo lie the iconic pyramids and Great Sphinx dating to the 26th century BC. Don't miss the Pharaonic Village, an open-air museum with replicas of ancient Egyptian sites like the tomb of Tutankhamun. The medieval Islamic Cairo neighborhood is filled with narrow streets, mosques, tombs, madrasas and vibrant bazaars. Visit the famous Khan El Khalili market where vendors sell everything from clothes to hookah pipes, spices and jewelry. Along Moore Street, which is one of the oldest streets in Cairo, are many wonderful buildings such as the Qalawun Complex and the Akmar Mosque. Also here is the 10th century Al-Azhar Mosque and the massive 16th century Sultan Al-Ghuri Complex. Don't miss Bab Zuwela, one of the 3 remaining gates in the walls of the old city. Nearby is the Museum of Islamic Art and the lush green Al-Azhar Park. Rising on a hilltop nearby is the medieval Saladin Citadel, which is filled with mosques and museums, such as the Great Mosque of Muhammad Ali and the Al-Nazir Muhammad Mosque. Nearby is the Sultan Hassan Mosque, which is one of the largest mosques in the world, covering an area of 85,000 square feet. It is also a madrasa and sits next to the 14th century Al-Rifai Mosque. Another famous mosque is the Mosque of Ibn Tulun, which is the oldest in the city. The Coptic Cairo area on the east bank of the Nile has the Roman-era Babylon fortress, which dates back to 525 BC. Inside, you will find the Coptic Museum, which displays artifacts from ancient Christian Egypt and several churches. These include the Hanging Church and the Church of St. George. Also nearby are the 4th century Church of St. Sergius and Bacchus, which is said to be where Joseph, Mary and the infant Jesus Christ rested, and the Ben Ezra Synagogue, which is said to be built on the site where baby Moses was found. Lastly, try to visit the Pyramid of Djoser, just outside the city in Saqqara. It is the oldest of Egypt's many pyramids.